Welcome to Rover YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain to you how to create QR codes using Python coding. Here I use VS Code Editor for coding this project. Please subscribe Rover YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay, let's go to the video. Open Visual Studio Code. Then get a new file and save it. Here I named it a sample. I have copied my codes to a notepad to save your time. Then I am going to copy and paste my codes into VS Code Editor. Please follow the video guidelines. After copying the relevant code, save the process. To do this from Python, you need to import the QR module at the very beginning of this project. In my example, as per the code, Hello World texts are converted to QR. You can use your own text. Once the QR code is generated, it is saved as an image under the PNG format. Then let's run this and see what happens. Enter the path inside the terminal to run the code as follows. Yes, you can see how it has been saved as an image under the Python folder. Let's open and see our QR image. You can edit and develop this according to your requirements further. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Rover YouTube channel for more videos like this.